Hello, this is Erin. I am doing an overview for Enhancement 5 for CIT 336, and this week we were working on making sure that our forms were sticky. And in our activities for the week, we did that for our login registration views. And so now let's have a look. Products, let's run this. Oh, let me move this over, sorry. Dun, 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 dun. So we have our new category, and add category, please provide information. So we'll add mines, and that's still working well, so that's good. Let's go to our product page, so page source, and so I've tried to do this in the developer tools where you can just validate your CSS and HTML, and it doesn't work for me. So I just use this one and it works okay. Okay, so that's looking okay, and the CSS is still looking good, but we'll grab it and we will validate it again. There we are. Okay. CSS. Here we are. Paste that in. And we are good. Okay, so let's carry on and let's add our new mines, and we will call it field mine, and it goes boom and doesn't have an image, so let's hit the no validate and submit. And oh, we still need to provide the information, and these are all sticky, so that is good. Let's keep going. And 10, and there's 6, and 14, and 15, and mines are built tombstone. That seems logical, and Billy probably makes them. And commit is the primary material, so we will submit. And thanks for inserting field mine, and we are good to go. Thanks.